Hey guys, it's Vignesh from CodeAndroid. In this video, we'll see about asynchronous programming with Dart. In previous tutorial, we have seen the theory of asynchronous programming. Now, we'll see about this in code. As we all know, Dart code starts with main function. So, let's create our main function. Main function doesn't return any data, so I'm using void as its data type. And then giving the function name as main. Inside here, we need to write the code. Creating another function called print data. This one also not going to return any data, so I'm using void as its return type. In our main function, calling this print data function before print data and after print data print statements. When we run this code, it's printing the data in the order which we need. But if you look closely, everything is printing at the same time. You can see our process also ending immediately after printing the text. Now I'm going to use future.delayed to make delay of 2 seconds. Now if we run the code, it's printing the statement without any delay, but the process is ending after 2 seconds. This is happening due to the delay which we added. I was expecting to print CodeAndroid after 2 seconds, but it was printing without delay. To do that, we need to wait for the result of the future function. So we need to use await keyword like this. So this future will make the delay of duration passed, in this case 2 seconds, and then the below code will get executed. But we can't use await inside synchronous function. To make this function as asynchronous, we need to use async keyword like this. You can see it's printing before and after text and then waiting for 2 seconds and printing CodeAndroid. Finally the process is ending. But the order is different. So we need to wait for print data to complete its execution before printing after text. So using await keyword on print data function and making the main function as asynchronous. Now you can see it's printing before print data and waiting for 2 seconds, then printing CodeAndroid and after print data. So whenever we make a function which is asynchronous, then make sure to use future as its return type, so that IDE will give a warning when we use the function without await keyword. You can see we are getting the warning here and we can fix it then and there. Like this, we can execute the code in async way using Dart. That's all for this video guys. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. I will try to answer it. Hope you like it. I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day.